Now exercise number 10.1, sum number 1. Represent graphically a displacement of 40 km 30 degree east of north. First take the directions. This is north, south, east, west. First the directions. 30 degree east of north. East of north means from north 30 degree to east. This is 30 degree. The vector. This is vector. Now the displacement, this is P, OP, this displacement is 40 km. The displacement is 30 degree east of north. East of north. So we have to draw a straight line making 30 degree with north. Here vector OP or OP vector represents the displacement of 40 km 30 degree east of north. Now the question number 2. Classify the following masses as scalars and vectors. First one 10 kg. 10 kg. 10 kg is a mass of a particle. Therefore, it has only magnitude value. So, 10 kg is a scalar. Second one, 2 meter. North to west. 2 meters north to west. It has a directions and magnitude. Magnitude 2 and directions north to west. So it has a magnitude 2 and the direction north to west. Therefore, it is a vector quantity. Vector quantity. Then third one, 40 degree is represent an angle. So only the is represent an angle. It is it has magnitude value only. Therefore, it is a scalar quantity. Next one, fourth one, 40 watt. 40 watt is a, or volt is a unit of power. It has only magnitude value. Therefore, it is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. Next one, fifth one. Fifth one, 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. It has a magnitude only. Therefore, it is a scalar quantity. Next, sixth problem, 20 meter per second square. Here meter per second square is the unit of acceleration. What is the unit of velocity? Meter per second. Okay, unit of acceleration. Therefore, it has a magnitude and directions. Therefore, it is a what quantity? Vector quantity. Vector quantity. Question number 3. Classify the following as scalar and vector quantities. Time period. Time period. First one, solution. Time period. Time period is only the scalar quantity. It's only the magnitude. Time period involves only magnitude. Therefore, it is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Next one, distance. Distance. Distance means a particular unit. Distance is 10 km or 30 km, anything. Not direction is not considered, but displacement having the directions also. So, distance involve only magnitude. Therefore, it is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. Next, third one, force. Force have the some magnitude, and the force is towards a particular direction. So it has both magnitude and directions. So force involves both magnitude and directions. Therefore, it is a what quantity? Vector quantity. Next one, fourth one, velocity. Velocity, what is the unit of velocity? Meter per second. Meter per second. Distance for particular time going for some distance. So that is a vector quantity only. So velocity involves both magnitude as well as direction. Therefore, it is a what quantity? Vector quantity. Vector quantity. Next one, work done. Work done. Work is a what quantity? Scalar quantity, but work done is vector quantity. Work done involves both magnitude as well as direction. Therefore, work done is a work done. Work done involves both magnitude as well as directions. Therefore, work done is a vector quantity. Now the question number 4. In the figure is a square. Identify following vectors. First one co-initial, second one equal, third one collinear but not equal. Solution. First one equal. First this is a square, so all the sides are equal. That is modulus of A vector equal to modulus of B vector equal to modulus of C vector equal to modulus of D vector. Now same they asked collinear. Collinear means parallel vectors. Sorry, co-initial. Co-initial means same initial point. Now the A vector and D vector are starting the same point. So A vector and D vector having same initial point. Therefore A vector and D vector are co-initial vectors. Second one, equal vectors. What is the meaning of equal vectors? The vectors having the same magnitude value and as well as the same directions. Okay, as well as the directions. Now, can see the vectors here. A vector and C vector are same magnitude but opposite directions. B vector and D vector have the same magnitude as well as the same directions. So, B vector and D vector are equal vectors. Reason B vector and D vector have same magnitude and directions. Next one, collinear but not equal. Collinear means they have parallel vectors but the directions are not equal, or magnitude are not equal, no problem. Yes, magnitude or direction, any one is not equal. Now see the vectors A vector and C vector. Here both are same magnitude as well as parallel, but the directions are opposite. So these two are collinear but not equal vectors. Suppose considering V vector and D vector, these two vectors are parallel as well as same magnitude and direction. So these two are collinear and equal. They asked collinear but not equal. So the answer is A vector and C vector. A vector and C vector are collinear but not equal, since A vector C vector having same magnitude but opposite directions. Are you understand? Now the problem number 5. Answer the following, true or false. First one, A vector and minus A vector are collinear. Second one, two collinear vectors are always equal in magnitude. Third one, two vectors having same magnitude are collinear. Fourth one, two collinear vectors having the same magnitude are equal. So first one, A vector and minus A vector are collinear. Here A vector and minus A vector, same vector, so these are parallel, but the directions are opposite. So this is a negative of the vector, negative. So directions are opposite, is not equal, but magnitude and the same parallel vector. So these two are collinear, is true. A vector and minus A vector are parallel to the same line. So these two are collinear vectors. Next one, two collinear vectors are always equal in magnitude. So what is the condition for collinear vectors? The collinear vectors are parallel to a given line, but the magnitude and the directions are not considered. So false, since collinear vectors are those vectors that are parallel to the same line, but they need not to be equal magnitude. So this statement is false. Third statement, two vectors having same magnitude are collinear. Two vectors having same magnitude are collinear. So two vectors same magnitude, but collinear means that they not consider the magnitude, only consider the parallel. If the vectors are parallel to the given same line, then the vectors are collinear. Now they have same magnitude, but directions and the nature of the parallel are not parallel. That is not given. So this is false, since it is not necessary for two vectors having the same magnitude to be parallel to the same line. So this is false. Now the fifth conditions, two collinear vectors having same magnitude are equal. False. Collinear vectors have same magnitude, but directions, when the vectors are equal, having same magnitude and the same directions, but they are given only the same magnitude, but not given the mention the directions. So this is false, since collinear vectors are parallel to the same line, but not necessary to same directions. That is, collinear vectors having the same magnitude are always not equal. Sometimes equal. When equal? If the directions are equal, the same, then the vectors are equal. Are you clear? Okay, thank you.